Woo, it's a new day on the plane build. Said, yeah, we're gonna do stuff tomorrow. That clearly didn't happen. I don't even know what we're doing today. Probably going to scuff these up. I think that's what I said in the last video. I've got one can of primer left, and they seem to be out at Lowe's. Probably won't be painting anything today. Maybe I'll paint these brackets right here. I should have enough paint for that, so brace of ball time for those. Also, do me a huge favor, destroy the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna start making this more of a Dustin doing everything channel. The Bearhawk stuff will stay separate from the rest of the content, so that, you know, there's the Bearhawk build series, which is a playlist, but then I've also got you know, just me jeeping, you know, stuff like that I'm gonna be adding to the channel just to get more content out there, you know. Anyway, sweet. Inboard right wing spar attached to the fuselage is now buffed, and oh god, it's hot. Woo, it's hot. Look at that sweat. Oh my god. All right, so I need to deburr these holes, which is something I completely forgot. I got a little deburring tool, and this will be done, and we'll be on to the next one. That one right there. Done, ready to go, ready for priming. As soon as I get more primer from Lowe's or wherever, maybe I'll order online, that'll be primed, and then we can start riveting those and priming those. Those are pretty much ready to go. I don't need to buff them that much. It's coming along slowly. Oh boy, this plane's gonna be sweet. Just gotta keep telling myself that plane's gonna be sweet. Boom. Look at that. Oh, solid hours worth of work. All right, so those are done. Next up, let's buff those. Try and keep them in order. But yeah, let's get this ready to go. That. There's some nice looking pieces. Boom. They're good. Cool. It's raining a little bit, so I'm not going to be painting these today. Maybe tomorrow. And by tomorrow, probably next week, there might be a larger gap between videos again. Thanks for watching all the stuff today. My hands hurt. And we'll see you in the next video.